Energy rates. Right, the first question here, we know that Sally uses an oven with a rating of 1200 watts for an average of 9 hours per week. The cost of electricity is 21 cents per kilowatt hour. How much is her cost for a quarter of a year? All right, what we'll do now is work out the time it takes altogether, and that's 9 hours times 52 weeks in the year. Now that will give us the total time, but we need to divide that by 4, it's only a quarter of a year. And that comes out to a total of 117 hours to get billed for. Now the cost will be equal to, now we have to change that this one's into kilowatts because it's 21 cents per kilowatt hour, not watts, right? So change that into watts, kilowatts rather, by dividing that by 1,000. Okay, so that would be like 1.2 kilowatts, and we multiply that by the hours. Okay, and then obviously we now multiply it by how much it is per kilowatt hour, and that is the 21 cents. Or we'll just change that to 0.21, won't we? Okay, and that will give me $29.48 on the calculator. Right, next one, number 2. A company charges 0.025 per megajoule. Now, Fred received a bill for $124 for a 3-month period. How much did Fred use over this particular period? Let's A be the amount, so we'll let A equal the amount is used. Right, so that amount, right, will be multiplied by the megajoule by the 0.025. And that would come out to what he actually paid, the $124. So the amount, a little bit of algebra, divide that by 0.025, and you come out to 4,960, I think it is, megajoules as your final answer. Okay, it's done. Okay, the third one, energy rate. How many hours was a washing machine used with a power rating of 1,500 watts if the cost was $39.06, given that the cost of electricity is 21 cents per kilowatt hour? So we know the total amount was $39.06, so $39.06. That must be equal to the 1,500, so that's in watts, so we're going to divide that by 1,000 and bring it to kilowatts, multiplied by the 21 cents, which is, we'll put it in dollars, 0.21, and we'll times it by, well, that H be the number of hours. That stands for the number of hours, and that becomes equal to, let me see, 39.06 times equals 0.315, all this times H. So H would be equal to this 39.06 divided by 0.315, and that comes out to a total of 124 hours. That's your final result. Okay, that's energy rate done.